Welcome back to Math with Miss Sheehan. You guys can grab your Learn book. I am going to be starting on page 69 today. If you forgot, your Learn book looks just like this. You're going to be on page 69. I'll show you just a quick preview. Don't look too close. It's got the answers. This is what it should look like. And as you're turning there, I'm going to do just a little bit of a fluency check. So I'm going to say a math problem. You see if you can answer it before I say the answer, okay? So the first one is 8 plus 5. 13, nice job. 9 plus 9. 18. 4 plus 7. 11. And how about, let's see, 8 plus 6. 14. Nice work. Okay, so you should be on page 69 now. We are going to do some more work with multiplication today. And so I'm looking at number 1 there. It says, draw without using a square tile to make an array with 2 rows, remember that side to side, and then there's 5 in each row. So I'm going to start by making myself a little rectangle. Why don't you do yours on your paper? All right, and then once I draw my rectangle, I want to split it into 2 rows. So I'm going to draw one line, and then there's going to be 5 columns. So instead of drawing 5, remember, we'll just draw 4 lines, and that will split it right into 5 sections. All right, I'm just about done with mine. I'll show you mine. Is this what yours looks like? Great. So it says 2 rows of 5 equals, and if I add them up, 5 plus 5, that equals what number? 10. Good. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. That is what you are going to be doing on number 1. I will erase. Remember, if this is ever too fast, you can always press the pause button, and I'll just pause until you're ready to keep going. Number 2. Draw without using square tiles to make an array with 4 columns up and down, and then there's 3 in each row. So make your rectangle again. This time we'll start by making the columns. Those are the ones that go up and down. So if it says to make 4 columns, I'm going to draw 3 lines. Okay? And then it says that in each column there should be 3. So I'm going to make 3 rows. All right, this is what mine looks like. Hopefully yours looks similar. And then it says 4 columns of 3 equals, should we skip count to add those? Let's see, there's 4 columns, so we have 3 in each one. So let's skip count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. Nice job. So the answer there is 12. And then my repeated addition sentence, what would that be? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. Nice job. Okay, let's go on to page 70. I will erase my work here. Okay, so we are going to be making some more arrays. So they give you one little square there to kind of help you. So the first one you're going to draw is 3 rows this way, 3 rows of 4. So start by making, they already gave you one square there. You can use that to help you. Or if it's a little too confusing, you can just make your own rectangle next to it, okay? So it has 3 rows, and then I'm going to make myself 4 columns. So I'm going to make 3 lines up and down to split those into columns. This is what mine looks like. Hopefully yours looks very similar. As you can see, I have my 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and there's 4 in each row. So if I was going to make a repeated addition sentence for that, I would say I was skip counting by 4s, right? So 4, 8, 12. So I would write 4 plus 4 plus 4, and that equals 12. Rock stars! Guys, we're almost done with this. All right, letter B, we're making another one. It says 5 columns, up and down, of 3. So we'll have 5 columns and 3 rows. So let's make that. Remember, when you're making your 5 columns, you only make 4 lines. Okay, here's mine. I have my 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in each column there are 3. So let's skip count by 3s to find our answer. We would say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Nice work. So to make that repeated addition sentence, you would just add 3 5 times. So you'd say 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And that equals 15. You can write that down, and I'm going to skip down to letter C. Okay, letter C, it says I'm going to make 5 columns. So remember, that's up and down. 5 columns of 4. So I'm going to make that 5 columns. So I'm really going to make how many lines? 4, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for my rows, there's going to be 4 rows. So I'm going to make myself 3 lines that go side to side. All right, this is what mine looks like. And you can see here I have my 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in each column we have 4. So I'm going to skip count by 4s to see if I can find my answer. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So if I was going to make a repeated addition sentence for that, I would say 4, gotta get my marker out of the way, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And that equals 20. You guys, you're rocking this. Okay, you can skip page 71, and we're going to go right to page 73 for our problem solver for today. I'm going to read it to you. It's probably going to make you hungry again. I feel like everything in these problem solvers has been eating and baking, and it makes me want to make all this stuff. Does it make you hungry too? Today we're going to be talking about lemon bars. So it says Ellie bakes a square pan of lemon bars, which she cuts into 9 equal pieces. Her brother, oh gall, eats 1 row of her treats. Then her mom eats 1 column. So you're going to do 3 different things today. Number 1, draw a picture of Ellie's lemon bars before any are eaten. Write a number sentence to show how to find the total. Number 2, write an X on the bars that her brother eats. Write a new number sentence to show how many are left. And number 3, draw a line through the bars that her mom eats. Write a new number sentence to show how many bars are left. Remember, I have pictures of the answers. So if you're like, did I get it right? Go look in Schoology because you should be able to see all of the answers I posted right there. Okay? And of course, once you're done with this, you should try to do either Freckle, Zern, or what's the other one? Freckle, Zern, or extra math. There we go. Okay, awesome job today. We'll see you back tomorrow for more math. Bye.